Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to the multi-lift personal transfer lift system shown for use with the Speedy Bar hinge adapter in this Honda Crosstour SUV. The multi-lift, as you may know, is a personal transfer lift system designed around the unique concept that one lift does all of your lifting and transferring. So the same multi-lift that we use to transfer you into and out of your Honda Crosstour can also be used to lift your wheelchair into the back of certain vehicles. It can be used in your home to get you in and out of your bathtub, onto and off of your toilet, into and out of bed, or on a portable base called the Easy Base that allows you to travel around. But it doesn't stop there. RVs, SUVs, transfer into a swimming pool, you name it. If you need to do a lift or a transfer, the multi-lift is there for you to get the job done. So how does it work? This is the Speedy Bar hinge adapter. So the idea behind the Speedy Bar is you don't need to modify anything on your vehicle. No drilling, no modification, and multiple vehicles are no problem. We simply hook this on the top of the hinge and rotate into the bottom hinge, and you're ready to go. The multi-lift is cordless, so there's no need to modify the electrical system of your vehicle. Our next step is we simply set the multi-lift on the Speedy Bar. Here's your cordless lithium-ion battery. Next step, we connect the lift. Once we're high enough to transfer out, we just lower to get the head out. Up and onto the wheelchair. Lower into the wheelchair. Now once we're down all the way, we're going to remove the lift, remove the Speedy Bar, and hit the road. Next step, again, remove the lift. Remove the Speedy Bar, and we're on our way. Thank you for watching this detailed video showing you how to exit the vehicle using the multi-lift. Please check out the videos in the notes field down below to learn more about how the system works. Have a great day. Contact us if you need at country code 1-607-669-4822. Evenings and weekends are no problem at 1-615-873-0518. Thank you for watching our video and have a great day.